Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to It's a Daily. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and stay tuned for future builds. And if you currently already subscribed to the channel, thank you for staying tuned again, watching another video. As you know, it's your boy Julio back at it again with his 92 Foxbody Mustang. And my car is going back to the shop, as you know. But in this case, it's nothing bad. I promise you it's nothing bad. It's actually going to be good. It's kind of like a little upgrade, I guess you can say. Basically, I'm just getting my windows tinted. It was either between 15% or 5%, which, as you know, 5% is really illegal. But I decided to go with 15 because it's still pretty dark enough, and my car's already illegal as is, so I don't want anything suspicious. So that's why 15 is good enough for me. But for now, until I actually go drop off the car, I do got some things from LMR that I want to show you. Pull out my knife. I ordered this. I think the one thing that's cool about me living in Oklahoma is the fact that LMR is literally in Waco, Texas, so it's like a day shipping. Honestly, I ordered it one day and it's basically at my front door the next day. That's insane, which is really cool. But what's gonna happen? Got my handy dandy knife. This is harder than what it looks. Try to. Oops. Open that up. There we go. Nice. There should be like a couple pieces in here. Yep. Okay, so we got a new radiator cap. I'll tell you the reason why I got a new one here in a few. This is a brand new antenna. It's 8 inches because apparently the one I have on now is actually broken. I did not know that. And then it's about that time I'm making basically a new video. This is the BBK's air filter restore kit. It's been over 2,500 miles. I think it's literally like only 3,000 miles since I got the BBK intake installed. So it's basically time to clean it. But back to the radiator cap, the reason why I got a new one, and I'll show you in a few, it's because this one has like a little red clip on it, and I had a big accident where I was adding more coolant in it. Sealed it off, put the cap on, and I wasn't for sure if I actually put it on correctly, but I let it stand as if. And then I was doing a couple hard pulls with my friend, took him on a little drive, and then next thing you know, radiator just started spilling everywhere. It was bad. I lost every ounce of coolant, not radiator. I lost every ounce of coolant onto the ground as we put up to Walgreens. I had to spend like 30 bucks to buy more coolant. It was a dramatic mess. And that's only because I didn't know if I even installed it on properly, so that's why I got a new one, because at least this one you just squeeze it on and squeeze it off and it's for sure locked in. So we're gonna install that on as well, and then turn on the antenna. Like I said, the Cold Air Intake restore kit, that's gonna be another video. I'm gonna include some tips and tricks on how to install it as well. It's gonna be way easier if you have a friend with you, promise you that. But if you don't have a friend with you and you're doing it by yourself, I think I could provide a tip. So we're gonna go ahead and head outside and install these and get back to it. So if you're wondering what's in the Cold Air Intake box, let's see if I can get this thing open with one hand so I can show y'all real quick before we move on to the car. Should be like 2 bottles. Oh, it's a whole lot more than I thought. Oh, okay, I see what's going on now. There we go. Cool. I wish they label them, which they don't. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So the white one, it's gonna be the restore kit, air filter cleaner, and then the blue one's the air filter oil. But that's what it looks like. I wish they actually, label them, but I guess it's pretty obvious. And then they come with a little handy, like if you don't know how to do it. But that's what it looks like the inside. Come with a little spray bottle, stick it in, whatnot, blah blah blah. So let's go ahead and go outside and I'll show you what's going on out there. Okay, so it's actually missing right now, so I'll make this quick. So there's 2 pieces, one the antenna, and then this little metal piece. There's like a skinnier part on the bottom end. You make sure that's in tight, like that. And then the bigger piece will go in just like that. Screw it on, nice and tight. She's on there, and now it just looks 10 times better compared to this. Look at that. And the fact that mine's actually broken originally, as you can see. But the 8 inches definitely makes a difference. Recommend it. And the radiator cap, I'm not going to install it. I'm going to put that on real quick and show you what it looks like. Just so I can make this quick, since it is rainy, this is what it looks like. It's nice and tight. It can handle 16 pounds of boost, right? LOL JK. Now this is the old one I was talking about. This is a little red clot. I really don't understand the purpose of this, so if anybody wants it, I guess hit me up, comment, whatever, and it's yours, honestly. But now what we're gonna do is drop the car off, get the windows tinted. As you can see, it is raining. Oh dude, I forgot I left this on here. Anyways, so the plan is take the car to the, I'm gonna go to the company called Wise Guys. That's what their name is called. Cause they're a bunch of wise guys, right? No, I'm just kidding. They're a pretty good company. I've seen a lot of good compliments about them. So I'm gonna check them out. If you want the radiator cap, just hit me up, leave a comment, whatever. We can work something out. Whether you just pay for shipping, handling, I don't know. I don't like it, my preference, but if you like that, it's all yours. And as you see, since it is rainy, I'm gonna have to leave my car at the shop for about, I don't know, dude. It's been raining in Oklahoma for like the past week. It's supposed to rain all week. And they want to, if they install tents, you know, they wanted to install on like a sunny day. Which in this case, the next sunny day is Thursday. So I still got a while. So hopefully by the time y'all watch the next video, the whole windows will be tinted. As you can see, it's fairly clean. Actually, I'll do a walk around, but it's starting to come down a whole lot harder. Let me go ahead and get out here. So look, you can still, you see how visible I am in the inside? You can literally see everything I'm doing. But it's gonna be 15 all the way around. That's what it looks like currently. I think this is a good 15. As you can see, I think that's 15. But like I said, all of it's getting done around. And since it is raining, you can see the little patches I had earlier. There has not been raining inside, so it's doing a pretty good job. Boom, boom. But, alright everybody, so I'm heading down to Wise Guys to drop off the vehicle. Like I said, it's gonna be the last time you see the car in about a week. The next video I post probably won't be until like 2-3 weeks later, because I'm actually gonna end up going back home, back to Abilene, which I think I can make another video, but I have no clue. But we're heading to Wise Guys, drop off the car. If you need your window tinted or windows fixed, repaired, whatever, I recommend Wise Guys. Wise Guys has had a lot of good company with customers, have good reviews. They seem pretty chill and they're straight up and honest with you. I was able to get a quote. They quoted me $229 because they do have to remove the old tint on my windows as well. So that's what we're gonna do, is drop off the car. I'm gonna head that way, and I'm gonna show you the location as well here in a few seconds. Okay, so I don't know if it's done. So I don't know if it's done improperly or it's just really old, but like literally, I'm able to tear this off into one piece. Look at that. Like, it's coming all smooth as well. You see that? That should not happen. But just so you know what I'm dealing with, and that's why I kind of want to get the windows tinted again, just hopefully it's done properly. I know the car's gonna be at the shop for a couple of days because it's supposed to rain all week and they want to do it on a sunny day, so that's the issue we're having right now. It's nothing too big. So we're heading to the store right now, drop off the vehicle. I got my boy Danny following right behind me. Look at this nice convertible Mustang. Too bad it's a V6. I decided to go ahead and make a little quick video. I know it's not really worth it, but I want to keep y'all updated. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click for more. And don't forget, leave a comment. I love comments. Or you have any like suggestions, what I can do, what would be better for the Fox. You know, I'm very open-minded. I do have a path that I do want to follow. And so like, even though you leave your suggestion, I'm still gonna listen to it, or kind of like tell you what I plan on doing. Like my upper intake, I finally decided which upper intake I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna make a whole video between the three I had to pick from, which most of y'all know. Y'all should know. But anyways, it's gonna be a whole different video. That's gonna wrap things up in this video. I think it's, yeah, anyways. That's gonna wrap things up in this video. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more, but most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the future build and actually see what the new tint looks like around the car. should be a whole lot more better. It should be a whole lot better in my opinion. It's gonna look clean, especially the white and black thing going on. It's gonna look phenomenal. And like, I got bigger news in a whole new video when I go back home in Texas, because you know I got a bad front bumper. That's a big hint. That's a big hint right there for the next video. So, or the next feature video. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, share with your friends, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more. Your boy Julio's out. Let's go do it.